Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for differentiation. A curve where we have 3 plus with the y multiplied with x minus 3y which is equals to x squared. By using the implicit differentiation, show the situation given. So what we have to do is to differentiate the situation. dy dx. So differentiate the 3, we'll have 0. Then product rule, we have v u prime plus u v prime. So that is the product rule. So we have x minus 3y. Differentiate the y and we will have the y prime. Continue. Plus we have the y. Differentiate the situation. X will have 1 minus 3y prime. Continue. We have the 2x. So rewrite the situation. We have x y prime minus 3y y prime. Plus we have y minus 3y y prime equals to 2x. Kindly focus on the y prime. So we have y prime, then we have x minus the 3y minus the 3y bracket equals to 2x minus the y. So in here, notice that we have y prime bracket x minus 6y equals to 2x minus y. Differentiate for the second time. So again, we have the product rule. X minus 6y, differentiate the y prime and we will have y double prime. Plus, we have the y prime. Continue. Differentiate the x and we'll have 1 minus 6 y prime. Continue. 2 minus the y prime. So kindly rewrite the situation. So we have x minus 6y bracket. We have the second derivative. Continue. Plus, we have the dy dx minus the 6 bracket dy dx square minus the 2 and then plus the dy dx. So kindly focus on the situation given. We have to make sure we have shown the situation. So in here, what we can do is to rearrange the situation. So here we have 6y minus x. Let's say we factor out the negative. So we have the second derivative. Negative 6 bracket, the first derivative, then we have the square. Then plus with the 2 dy dx minus the 2 equals to 0. Kindly rearrange the situation from the left moving towards the right. So if we rearrange the situation, then we will have 6y minus x, second derivative. And then plus, we have 6 bracket, first derivative, square, minus 2 dy dx equals to negative 2. Then we already shown the situation given. Continue. Given the parametrics equation, we have the x which is equals to cos 2t, y which is equals to sin 2t. Kindly differentiate the situation. So here we have x, so dx dt equals to negative sine 2t, then we have the 2. dy dt which is equals to cos 2t, then we have the 2. So prove that the dy dx equals to negative cotangent 2t. So the dy dx which is equals to dy dt, so 2 cos 2t multiply with, we have the dt dx. So meaning that we have to flip the situation, negative 2 sine 2t. So in here we have the negative cos 2t over sine 2t. So based on the trigo function, cos over sine, where we have cotangent 2t. So that is the dy dx, and we already shown the situation. Hence, determine the equation of the tangent when t is equals to pi over 8. So kindly substitute the situation. We have the dy dx which is equals to negative 1 over tangent 2t. So t is equals to pi over 8. So in here we have negative 1 over tangent bracket pi over 4. So the pi over 4 where we have 45 degree. So tangent 45 we have 1. So the dy dx will be equals to negative 1. That is the gradient. So the question mentions that equation of the tangent. So in order to find the equation of a tangent, which is a straight line, where we have y is equals to m x plus with the c. So what we have to do is to substitute the value t into the equation. So for the x is equals to cos 2t. If we substitute pi over 8, then we have x is equals to cos bracket pi over 4, meaning that cos 45. Then the value of x will be square root of 2 over 2. As for the sine, y equals to sine 2t. So t equals to pi over 8. Then we have y is equals to sine pi over 4. We also have y is equals to square root of 2 over 2. So in order to find the straight line equation, where we have the point y is equals to negative x plus with the c. So by substituting the point, where we have square root of 2 over 2, square root of 2 over 2. So if we substitute, then we will have value of c, square root of 2 over 2, plus with the square root of 2 over 2, then we will have the situation square root of 2. So by referring to the function in here, we have y equals to negative x plus with the square root of 2, or we can write the situation x plus with the y equals to square root of 2. So that is the equation of the tangent when t equals to pi over 8. Continue, find the second derivative. So for the formula, the second derivative, where we have differentiate the dy dx with respect to t, multiply dt dx. So focus on the situation. If we differentiate the negative cotangent to t, we have the negative bracket, differentiate the cotangent, and we will have negative cosecant square 2t. Then differentiate the 2t and we have the value 2. Multiply, we have the dt dx. So we have negative 1 over 2 sine 2t. So as we all know, cosecant square 2t. So here we have the 2. Multiply 1 over sine, based on the trigo ratio, 1 over sine actually is cosecant as well, where we have negative 1 over 2 cosecant 2t. Finally, we have the negative cosecant cube 2t. That is our second derivative. Hence, shows that we have the situation sine 2t multiply with the second derivative plus the first derivative squared, which is equals to negative 1. So substitute the situation. We have the 2t multiply with the second derivative, where we have negative cosecant cube 2t, plus with the first derivative. So here we have negative cotangent 2t bracket square. Please simplify the situation. As we all know, we have sine 2t over, we have the negative sine cube 2t minus plus the cotangent square 2t. So simplify the situation, we have the negative 1 over sine square 2t plus cotangent, where we have the cos square 2t multiply with the sine square 2t. Since we have the same denominator, so we can rewrite the situation cos square 2t minus the 1 over the sine square 2t. So based on the basic identity, sine squared 2t plus with the cos squared 2t, which is equals to 1. So rewrite the situation. Cos squared 2t minus the 1, which is equals to negative sine squared 2t. Kindly substitute. So we have negative sine squared 2t over the sine squared 2t, where we will have the common terms. So the situation will be equals to the negative 1. So from here, we can say we already shown the situation. Sine 2t multiply with the second derivative plus with the first derivative square, which is equals to negative 1. Then we already shown the situation. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.